Welcome to eSolish English for Work and Life.
Hello. Today, we'll correct some common sentences people often say incorrectly in everyday English. Ready? Let's go.
Mistake number 1.
Today morning I woke up late.
We say, this morning, not today morning. This morning, I woke up late.
Mistake number 2.
I will meet you in morning.
We use the before morning. I will meet you in the morning.
Mistake number 3.
I am liking this place a lot.
We say, I like, not, I am liking. I like this place a lot.
Mistake number 4.
Let's do a selfie.
We don't say, let's do a selfie. We say, let's take a selfie.
Mistake number 5.
You are looking very beautiful.
We don't say, you are looking very beautiful. We say, you look very beautiful. Now, let's practice together. This morning, I woke up late. I will meet you in the morning. I like this place a lot. Let's take a selfie. You look very beautiful. Great job. Now, let's test what you've learned. Can you correct this sentence? I am going to work by bus every morning. Write your answer in the comments below.